So, hi, I am Varsha and I am R&D formulist at Foodsure, and today I am going to make strawberry crush. So, these are the weight ingredients of my crush. This is strawberry pulp, sugar, some beet carrot color into it, preservatives and citric acid that we are going to add, and to improve the consistency we are going to add some pectin in it. For starting the pulp, we need to add some water and we need to heat it up to 60 degrees. So, I am going to add some sugar, citric acid, potassium sorbate, and I have added sodium benzoate into it, strawberry pulp into it. Now I am adding pectin into it. So this is temperature gun and I am going to monitor the temperature. When it reaches around 95 degree, I'll switch off the flame or the induction, and then I'll measure its bricks. So this is refractometer in which I'll measure the bricks of my crush. Color and flavor into my crush. So now the crush is ready. Now we need to cool down the crush and till it's also gain more consistency and it is ready to serve.